Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leather conditioner is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make to keep your car's leather seats looking and feeling their best. In this video, we will review the top-rated leather conditioners on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect product to protect your investment and maintain the luxurious feel of your vehicle's interior. Number 5. Leather Honey Conditioner. For over 50 years, Leather Honey has been the trusted choice for leather care. It's a family favorite, used by generations to keep their leather looking its best. It deeply penetrates to protect new leather and revitalize dry, old leather. This non-toxic formula is safe for all your leather goods. Soften and moisturize your leather furniture, car seats, shoes, and more. It works wonders on all colors, including white leather. Enjoy a non-sticky, fragrance-free formula that protects your leather from the elements. It's water-repellent and keeps your leather looking great all year long. Made with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients, it's safe for people, pets, and the environment. It provides up to 6 months of protection. Leather Honey is proudly made in the USA. Our premium formula has earned a loyal following among leather experts and enthusiasts. What we like. It's a non-toxic formula, safe for you and your leather. Made in the USA with a time-tested recipe, it's trusted by experts. If you value quality and long-term protection for your leather, this is the one for you. What people say. The conditioner has a thick, honey-like consistency, but it spreads smoothly and evenly with a soft cloth. A little truly goes a long way. It didn't have a strong, overpowering odor like some other leather products. This product brought it back to life. Recommend using latex gloves and applying directly with your hands so you can rub it in. Using a cloth just soaks it up and wastes it. The leather soaks it up and looks even better the next day. Unlike other products, which are creams, this is more like an oil, and so it really works its way into the leather for a very soft feel. I did not find that it discolored anything I've used it on. Number 4. Chemical Guys SPI_109_16 Leather Kit. Give your leather the care it deserves. This kit cleanses deeply to remove dirt and grime, then conditions to keep it supple and soft. It starts with a pH-balanced cleaner that penetrates to lift away dirt and grime. Then, condition to restore flexibility and enhance the natural scent. It replenishes essential moisture, preventing dryness, cracking, and fading. This keeps your leather looking its best for years to come. From car interiors and furniture to jackets, shoes, and handbags, this kit is perfect for all your leather needs. Keep everything looking and feeling its best. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for soft, smooth, and rejuvenated leather. It's that easy to maintain a luxurious look and feel. Get the Chemical Guys SPI_109_16 Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit tackles cleaning and conditioning in one go, with vitamin E to keep leather supple. It's suitable for all types of leather. If you want a complete care solution for all your leather goods, choose this kit. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. The application was easy, and I appreciated that it didn't leave any sticky residue behind. My leather seats now feel soft, moisturized, and refreshed. Excellent cleaner makes my light tan leather car seats look like they are brand new. The conditioner keeps it brand new for a while too and makes the seats nice and slick. I also have noticed that it goes a long way to repair damaged leather as well. The cleaning spray works great and removes a lot of dirt and grime. The conditioner leaves my leather looking well nourished and isn't too tacky. Also, the conditioner has a pleasant ozone smell, which is a nice touch. My black Lexus GX leather seats and trim all look amazing with this stuff. Number 3. Chemical Guys SPI_208_16 Leather Cleaner. It gently cleans your leather, removing dirt and oils. This formula works on all types of leather, from fine natural to synthetic. It's pH balanced to protect your leather's health and appearance. It penetrates deep to lift away dirt and grime. Simply mist it on and buff dry with a microfiber towel. It's a water-based formula, leaving no residue behind. It's not just for car seats. Use it on jackets, shoes, furniture, anything leather in your home or car. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It makes the process quick and easy, so you can enjoy the results. For best results, clean your leather with this first to remove impurities, then condition it for a luxurious finish. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. Chemical Guys is trusted by both beginners and professionals. We offer superior products and expertise for all your car care needs. What we like. This cleaner is pH balanced for effective cleaning without harming your leather, and it's completely odorless. It works on all types of leather, including synthetic ones. If you need a gentle yet effective cleaner for all your leather items, this is the best choice. What people say. It's working great. I sprayed it on leather seats liberally and then worked it with the brush until liquid was foaming. Some extra dirty spots worked a little longer, then wiped foam with microfiber cloth and it looked great. It's 12 years old minivan with creased leather, but it is clean and nice. Has faint pleasant odor, which goes away after wiping. I used this to clean my leather steering wheel and seats. It worked really well. Other products leave the steering wheel sticky, but not this one. It may be a tad stick the next day since I apply at night and leave the windows closed overnight. But once I drive and run the AC, it dries well the next day and lasts up to about 2 months before it needs cleaning again. On the leather seats, I recommend using a brush like their demo video shows and follow with their leather lotion. Left everything matte, moisturized with a nice faint leather smell. Lifts dirt almost immediately, worked great on leather seats. Number 2. Lexol Leather Care Kit. This kit is your complete solution for cleaning and conditioning all your leather goods. It's perfect for car interiors, furniture, and more. You get 2 8-ounce bottles, 1 cleaner and 1 conditioner, plus 2 application sponges. Everything you need is right here. It gently lifts away dirt and oil, leaving your leather clean and refreshed. Its pH-balanced formula is safe for all types of finished leather. This will restore that soft, supple feel to your leather. It helps protect your investment and keeps it looking its best. Use it on car seats, furniture, boots, jackets, baseball gloves, even saddles. It's truly versatile. First, use the cleaner, then follow up with the conditioner for best results. It's that simple. With the Lexol Leather Care Kit, you can keep your leather goods looking and feeling great for years to come. Get yours today. What we like. This kit comes with both cleaner and conditioner, plus application sponges for easy use. It's suitable for a wide variety of leather items. If you prefer a convenient kit with all the essentials, this is a great option. What people say. It restored my jacket's softness and shine while protecting it from cracks and dryness. The application was easy, and it left no sticky residue. My seats were starting to look worn and dry, but after applying this, they look brand new, smooth, rich in color, and soft to the touch. I also used it on the dashboard and steering wheel, and it gave them a refreshed, like new finish without any greasy residue. Works amazingly well on ball gloves to keep them soft and ready for use. Easy to use. Number 1. Weiman Leather Cleaner. It cleans, conditions, and restores your leather surfaces. This simple solution protects your leather from damage and keeps it looking its best. It's easy to use and safe for your family. Just one simple step to condition and protect any finished leather surface. Use it regularly on purses, shoes, boots, briefcases, and handbags. It's perfect for all your leather accessories. It contains UV protectants to shield your leather from sun damage, fading, drying, and cracking. Keep your leather looking new for longer. It safely removes dirt and residue, softening, strengthening, and moisturizing neglected leather. Bring your leather back to life. It's perfect for car interiors, shoes, boots, briefcases, handbags, and coats. Give all your leather items the care they deserve. What we like. It's a simple, one-step solution that cleans, conditions, and protects against UV damage. It's perfect for maintaining your leather's look and feel. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution to protect your leather from the sun, this is it. What people say. It acts as both cleaner and moisturizer for leather interiors and doesn't affect the dye on your upholstery. My car interior still looks like new and is soft and supple like when it was new. It doesn't take much to make your leather shine, this size should last a long time. I only clean my leather furniture once a month, and it shines up beautifully with this. Be sure to spray the cloth, not the furniture. It dries up fast too, I leave it alone for about a half hour and it's fine. Cleaned and really made my leather recliner look great. It smells good too, citrus. Does leave it a little bit oily to the touch at first, but dries quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.